Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, November 21st. The Zen story for today is titled The Log That Split Itself. The monk had awakened early to split firewood. The axe was old, its wooden handle worn smooth from years of repetition. He liked the sound it made, clean, direct, honest. The log pile behind the cabin had grown unruly again, and this too, he thought, was practice. He raised the axe, breathed in, breathed out, then swung. The axe bounced off the first log with a dull thunk. He examined the edge. Sharp enough, just stubborn wood. He tried again. Thunk. But by the third swing, he was sweating. By the fifth, muttering. By the seventh, contemplating impermanence and fleeting nature of patience. A rustle behind him. The fox, sitting by the edge of the forest, watching. Tail curled neatly, head tilted. The monk wiped his brow. "You're welcome to help." The fox blinked slowly. He expected the fox to sit and watch again. Instead, it nosed at the axe, sniffed it, and then gnawed once at the wooden handle with its sharp teeth. Just a test bite. Then it trotted away into the trees. The monk shook his head and turned back to the log. "Before enlightenment, chop wood," he muttered. "After enlightenment, chop wood." Crack! The log split, but not from the axe. He had not touched it. He stared. The two halves lay perfectly even, like they'd been waiting all along to separate. Behind him, the fox was gone. He checked the woodshed. Empty. No sign of the fox. No footprints. Nothing disturbed. Except the next log in the pile, cracked down in the middle, split as cleanly as the first. He did not swing again, just sat beside the stack of logs, let the X rest beside him, and laughed. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Does mystery ever become amusing to you? Or are you always serious about mysterious happenings? Does mystery ever become amusing to you? Or are you always serious about mysterious happenings? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Does mystery ever become amusing to you? Or are you always serious about mysterious happenings? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.